Hi classmates, my name is Chantel, and for today's personal narrative speech, I will be speaking on the values of consistency. 3 different areas where I feel it is very important to apply consistency in my life is academics, working out, and my professional life. For the first one, I believe consistency is very important in academics. I feel like being consistent and showing up to your classes will result into a better grade. Doing your schoolwork, asking questions, taking extra opportunities, and just being overall consistent in showing up to your classes. The first step is to show up, ask for help when you need help. I feel like with being consistent in your academics, you get to earn walking on that stage, and I feel like that's very important for everyone, or as for it is for me. It's very important for me to earn my associates, as I will be the first generation in my family. And with that being said, I believe that all it really takes is to just being consistent in doing the work. For my second area where I apply consistency is working out. Working out has changed my life and has made a huge impact in my life, the way I think, the way I am, the way I carry myself. Overall, I think having a healthier lifestyle is very important to me. With that being said, being consistent in my training is very important to myself, and just being able to live a healthier lifestyle is important. I believe it does bring confidence and just being able to be not only mentally but physically stronger. Lastly, the last area where I apply consistency is in my professional life. I am a receptionist at a dental office, and I believe it is important to show up every single day wanting to be better, wanting to do better, wanting to learn new things, and just being able to be consistent and just being able to show up not only for myself but for my patients. Being able to learn something new and applying it to my job, and being consistent until I master it is very important. I do believe hard work does not go unnoticed. If you're consistent in something, especially in your professional life, your higher ups will notice it, and just being able to take accountability when you mess up, it's okay. But being consistent in these 3 areas is very important, as it will make you a better person. The last thing is a quote that I read. Success isn't always about greatness, it's about consistency. Consistent hard work leads to success. Greatness will come. Greatness will come. Dwayne Johnson. This quote really does resonate with me, as consistency is very important in these 3 areas of my life. I do believe consistency is important, and it will get you far, just depending on how hard you work, and how bad you want it. I really do appreciate everybody who listened to this. Thank you.